explain the name?
Please.
Oh. Meg, Amy, Rachel, Rowan, Sam. Mars.
Makes sense for the order.
And we're at least in some nice by far. Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they'd just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore. Oh, 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 oh. This is his voice, this is what are we waiting for? Why don't we break the walls already? I was never one to believe the hype, seen that stuff for the black and white. I tried just as hard and I'm half slack, but here they come again to jack my style.
And that's alright.
That's alright.
I found a martyr in my bed tonight. She stops my bones from wondering just who I am, who I am, who I am, who
Well, some nights I wish that this song would end, 'cause I could use some friends for a change. Some nights I'm scared you forget me again. Some nights I always win, but I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know. Oh, come on.
So this is it. I sold my soul for this. Wash my hands of that for this. I miss my mom and dad for this. No. When I see stars, when I see stars, that's all they are. When I hear a song,
Come
it sounds like this
on.
one.
It sounds like this one, so come on.
Come
Well, this is your voice, this is all I'm gonna say that I'm born again. Maybe it's this little charm if anybody understands. This one's not for the folks at home. Sorry to leave when I had to go. Who the heck wants to die alone? I'll try to be in the desert sun.
I was bringing for my sister, and you all that she called love. And I look into my nephew's eyes, and then wouldn't you believe the most amazing thing that comes from some terrible lie.
So the best we keep our distance.